This guy has to go here.
Bap, bap.
That better?
Here, hang on here. Hang on. There. Okay. Now hang on there. There you go.
Part of the fun is getting thrown off.
Yeah. Like sledding.
Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. This wheel. Here. Turn this.
That is so neat.
No, turn the other way. Now push.
You make it turn around. Yeah. You sit on the seat. Yeah, you sit there. Quit in there. There you go. Where did I begin? Where did I start with the teddy bear? Okay, hang on. So active. What if you made it not so slippery, like glued sandpaper or something on there
What's the
on the back seat?
for this?